BJP's election campaign meeting was held in Hassan today. The meeting ended with a huge fight. A BJP activist fought in front of K. Gopalia, the district in charge. The activist started saying that the original BJP was being ignored. The outrage was against N.R. Santosh, who according to the activist is making a false case against Ranganath, an old BJP worker. The activist said N.R. Santosh is making a false case against Ranganath, who is a long-time BJP worker. Supporters of N.R. Santosh assaulted Minister K. Gopalia, BJP candidate H.M. Vishwanath and BJP District President H.K. Suresh.